Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. I was working in the garden today, but I wanted to stop for a moment and show you everything that's going on really quick. There's lots of color, and I just wanted to show everything, the colors and what's blooming at the moment before they all go away, because you guys all know how fast everything is changing in the garden. So one moment it's here and then it's not. So I just wanted to catch the moment and take you through to show you and update you what's going on. So we can just start right here, because this is hybrid 2 rose, Mademoiselle Mayland, I believe. And look at these blooms. They're huge and absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. And I think I did a video. We did a video of planting this rose. It's looking so good this year. So this is one. And I have another one that's blooming here. And I can't tell you the name of this one, but look at this. It's so beautiful. It's perfection, really. Has a little bit of a perfume, and irises are doing really good. We have herbaceous peonies that are about to open, so there are several different kinds. These are the hydrangeas that we planted last fall. They're starting to bloom. They're showing some buds, and some of them are, I think, getting ready to come out. This particular one is already blooming. This is the red prime hydrangea that we planted last fall. Containers are doing good so far, and I wanted to take you here to show you. So the hanging baskets are pretty nice this year. Coral Louise peony, Ito peony is in bloom. I wanted to show you this one because this guy had so many blooms this year. Some of them had already faded away, but a lot of them are still here, and they're absolutely gorgeous. And actually, I caught some and took them home. It was so nice. I think I'm going to plant more, just so I can cut them for the cutting reason. So this one is almost finished. This is a Ito peony as well, but it's already, I think, fading away. There is some blooms. This one is probably the best one I have. So we have peace roses that are blooming here. It's looking really pretty. I have a ton of blooms on them. I have some aphids which I've been treating. Hopefully they can go away. Coral sunset peonies. These guys are most amazing peonies. I absolutely adore them. So this is a perfect example. So they start out with coral pink color like that, and then as they age, so they start fading. The color starts fading, and it becomes creamy yellow like that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here you can see the transition. This one is in transition, and you can see the color right here. Isn't that gorgeous? But this is how they start right there. You can see the color, how vivid pink that is, and then after they start fading into this beautiful creamy yellow color. So hybrid teas, these are 2 peace roses that are doing really good. I have another rose here that's starting to open. It's Prince of Monaco. Couple of more herbaceous peonies here that are just going to start opening here soon. They're still, have buds, so they will open here soon here. And let's see, I had a ton of irises here. They're almost finishing out their time. Let's see here. The container is doing really nice. You can see all the yellow bells are coming, starting to really show up in the container now with the blue, this is what I intended to see, and it's doing exactly what I was hoping to do. It's looking really, really pretty. So it's really filling up, and there's just lots of color, you guys. These are coral charm peonies, which are very similar to coral sunset peonies. I don't honestly know much of what's the real difference. I think maybe coral sunset is maybe a little fuller, but they still fade away the same way. You can see there's the pink version of it, and then they start fading away, but they're lovely. They're very, very pretty. This is a hybrid tea rose that it's blooming. It's called Isabelle Autissier. Very beautiful, into the pink and apricot tones here, and then it fades into more of a pink and cream color like that. So more irises. Sorry for my host because I'm just going to start watering again right after the video, and that's the reason why I didn't pick it up. We have do-tell peonies, herbaceous peonies that are stunning. Love, 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 love these guys. I might have to plant more of them. These are so beautiful. And some hybrid teas are opening. These are standard tree roses that are, you see they are in bloom. So they will start producing, will start opening soon. Our climbing rose is doing quite well this year as well. Maybe we can see from this angle a little better. And this rose, I can't remember the name unfortunately, but I absolutely love it. So pretty. It's every year it comes back and does its thing, and it's every year it's more beautiful. It's so great. I love the colors. Very, very nice. So here you can see we have a Canary Brilliance, Ito Peony. It's looking very, very pretty, very full this year. Containers are looking really nice. I really like what they're doing. I'm sure it will change over time because I have some pansies there that's going probably to come out eventually for the summer flowers. But for most part, it's looking really nice. And then here we have a bowl of beauty peonies that are opening. And I really love them. So I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bowl of beauty peonies here, which I'm hoping I can cut some and take them home as well. But I think it will be a nice, beautiful show when it's all open. Here I wanted to show you some of the Oriental poppies that are coming back. I tell you, these guys are really hard to start, for me anyway. Or maybe it's not a problem for you guys, but for me it's really hard to start. But the minute they get going, they're doing really good. It's like you can't even kill them. They're doing really good. It's just really hard to get them going. So let's see. Oh, I wanted to show you this guy right here. This is Ito Peony called All That Jazz. This is the first time I had flowers on this bush, and I am loving it. And look at this. It's like most bizarre and most interesting, unique colors, I guess. It's look cherry color with the creamy, I don't know, it's very light cream or yellow color, but it's amazing. And I mean, clearly they will get big and more bulk and more beautiful as it starts mature, the bush starts maturing. So I might have to order another one of those. This is very interesting to me. So I think that's all for the moment. These are the roses we planted just this winter, and it's looking good. They're coming around, starting to bloom. They're still very young, obviously. Need some time to mature. Lots of dahlias are coming out, but I think so far that's all it's in bloom at the moment. Oh, and then of course you can see the gorgeous rhododendron. I had so many blooms on this guy that it's so beautiful this year. This year it just outdid itself, I think. Very, very pretty. So I think that's all for the moment, but I just wanted to bring you out really quick and look at this view right here. Isn't this gorgeous with all the irises? It's absolutely stunning. This spring has been just amazing, and you can see the climbing roses in the background starting to really open. It's just so pretty this year, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Everything is looking really good, and quite healthy this year. Some roses are showing a bit of a stress of the heat because we just had a hot weather. Hopefully it will kind of fade away a little bit and then come back, but it was kind of unusual for this time of a year for us, so I had to really give them lots of water and get them going. But other than that, everything is healthy and doing really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you soon. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.